Okay, right. Right. So this question, this is easy to show that express h in terms of x and hence show that. Okay. So I assume that you have done that. So a equals 3 by 2 x squared plus 24 by x. That is O level, no? So I'm not focusing on it. Right? But the next one. How to do that? Next one. Differentiation, everything okay. Okay, we come to the whiteboard now. Okay, are you okay now? Okay, guys. Right. So this was the question. If you differentiate that dA by dx, so that is 3x because 2 gone minus 24 by x squared. So if you factorize that, take the 3 out, x cubed minus 8 over x squared. So you know x is greater than 0. You can factorize even if you don't. If you want, you can factorize, but you don't need to do that. X squared plus 2x plus 4, but you don't need to do that. Okay, because you know that x is the length, you know x greater than 0. So if dA by dx equals 0, so that implies x equals 8 by x greater than 0. Okay, so now that is okay. So you have to show this is minimum, not the maximum. So how to show that? You can use two methods. One method, usual method, checking the values. Other method is second derivative, right? So don't use the second derivative. In our syllabus, they accept also, but don't use that. So you have to use checking. Checking means don't use this graph method. So A like this. Don't use that. They won't accept. They will accept only this one. Which one? But when you write that here, when x less than 8, what is dA by dx? Okay. When x less than 8, what is dA by dx? Less than 8, this is less than 0. Right? If x less than 8, less than 0. If x equals 8, dA by dx equals 0. X greater than 8, dA by dx greater than 0. So you have to write these things. They will give marks for this. Sorry, it's 2. Sorry, 2. 2, not 8, 2. Okay, 2. Put 2. Okay, guys. So 2, because this is 2 cubed, right? X greater than 0, right? So now you have, my main thing is to say you have to write this. If you don't write, they won't give marks. If you just put in the picture, they won't give. Okay, is it clear? Okay, right. So what we have to do is, you have to write. Then after that, if you want the verification, you can do 2. When x less than 2, less than, minus, then plus, then minimum. So that is for your use. So now you have to say, so a minimum at x equals 2. Okay, it's clear? Right. Any problem? No. So shall we go to the next question? Shall we go to the next question? This question is very important question. Don't know how many of you are doing. Right. Okay. Okay, I put on the screen. Okay, guys, here it is. You can see on the screen. Please do it. Please do it. So this will come under the first part question. So I will give only 4 minutes. 4 or 5 minutes. This will come under the first part question. So I will give only 5 minutes. Have you done? Okay, time given. What is the value of A? 6. Okay, that is correct. Value of A is 6. That is correct, no? Is it value of A is 6? How many of you have got value of A 6? 36? No, 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 no. It won't be 36. It will be 6. It won't be 36. It will be 6. Okay, the question says the diagram shows a part of the curve y equal uh, A over X, right? It's the easiest question. 1 and 3. The A is positive constant given that the volume obtained when the shaded region is rotated through 360 about the x-axis is 24 pi. Okay, find the value of 24 pi. Find the value of. So guys, rotated through, you know that how to do that. Okay, so quickly we'll do that. It's I think it will be a 1 or 2 minutes question. So area equals y squared dx, pi y squared dx 1 to 3. 1 to 3. You know that this is the formula. So that area is 24 pi given. So you have to integrate this. What is y? What is y? 1 to 3. Y is a squared. Y squared is a squared over x squared d. That is 24 pi. Pi cancels. A squared, if you integrate this, x to the power minus 2, no? Then minus 1 over minus 1, 1, 3. A square is there. A square outside. So I put this one, this is better. That is 24. So if you put 3 and a square, if you put 3, minus 1/3, minus if you put 1, minus 1 is 24. So the answer will be plus 1, then 2 by 3, a square equals 24, a square equals 36, a greater than 0, so a equals 6. Correct. Okay, guys. Yeah, you took the answer of a squared. Okay, that is okay. So, guys, please do this question immediately. So, time is very important. So, do this one immediately. Four minutes will be given. Done. Answer. What is the answer for that part? Someone said 8 pi cube or something like that, isn't it? Someone said 8 pi cube. Is it answer? Any other answer? Same answer? Any same answer came? 8 pi. Okay. Another person also telling that is going to be 8 pi. So 8 pi units. 8 pi units. Yes, we will do that. We will sketch this first. What is that? 0 to 1. It's going 0, 1, and it's going 2 to 5. 2 to 5. And shaded there 90. And the y-axis, x-axis 0. Y equals x squared plus 1. That curve is given. The diagram shows part of the curve y equal x squared plus 1. Find the volume obtained when shaded region is rotated through 360 about the y-axis. That is in the dark line. Come on, guys. Come on. Y-axis, that is in the dark line. See how to do that. So it is rotated about y-axis. It's going to form that something like this. Rotated about y-axis. So if it's rotated about y-axis, the volume, not the area, no? Are we talking about? So earlier I put A, no? A for area. That's wrong, no? Volume, no, we are having. So volume, V, we are earlier I put A. That is wrong. Volume, that is phi y squared x. Sorry, y squared dx. That means if it's something like that, I told you when I was teaching theory, respect to x, that means about x-axis, this is rotated. If it's dx, you can quickly identify, this is rotated about the x-axis. If it's dy, it is rotated about the y-axis. I told you. If it's rotated about the x-axis, y squared dx. If it's rotated about the y-axis, x squared dx, x squared dy. So this is rotated about the y-axis. No? Then we go for that phi x squared dy. That's the important thing. Okay. So what is x squared? X squared is y minus 1. So we go for that y minus 1 dy, and you have to put the range. You have to put the limits for y from 1 to 5. 1 to 5. So what will be the answer? 5. So you can do like whole thing squared by 2, or you can y squared by 2 minus y. Anything is possible. Whatever you want, you can do. So I go for y minus 1 whole thing squared by 2. That's easy for me. And it's going to be 1, 5. So answer is 5. If you put 5 there for y, 4 squared, 16, 8. Minus if you put 1, 0. So 8, 5 unit cubic unit. You have to write that once. Cubic unit you have to write. Otherwise, they won't give marks. Guys, is it clear? Yes or no? Do you understand this? Because they said it's rotated about the y-axis. So I went for the x squared dy. If it's how did they know x squared dy? Because if dy is there, then that is rotated about the y-axis. If dx is there, that is rotated about the x-axis. Okay. If dy is there, this is this must be x squared. If dx is there, this must be y squared to find the volume. Easy. Do you understand, guys? Okay, you type. Okay, so we go for the next one. Okay. Quickly do binomial expansion. Binomial expansion. Another 4 minutes or 5 minutes. Got the answer? Okay, anyone got the answer? Anyone got the answer? Anyone got the answer? This what did they say? Find the first three term of 2 plus x whole thing, 2 plus 3x whole thing to the power 5. Good, no? 2 plus 3x whole thing to the power 5. Then after that, so got the answer. So you have to get the answer now. Shall we do? Find the first three terms in the expansion of 2 plus 3x to the power 5. Okay, let's see. All type question. 2 plus 3x. All things to the power 5. Find the expansion of, then after that, hence find the value of constant for which there is no terms in x squared in the expansion of 1 plus ax to the into 1 2 plus 3x to the power 5. So x squared no terms, right? Okay, guys, we'll do. How many of you have done? No one. What is this? What is this, man? Binomial expansion. No one done it. Huh? Okay, guys, listen this. What is the expansion of a plus b to the power 5? How to write that? A to the power 5 plus, next one, 5 a to the power 4 b. Next one, how to write that? Easily how to write? You multiply this 4 and 5. You multiply this 4 and 5 and divide by 2. Then 20, 10 a cube b square. Then next one, multiply this 3 and 10 and divide by 3. 10 a squared b cube. You understand how to do that? You know the technique? I erase this. How to write the big expansion without any problem. See, a plus b to the power 15. How to write the expansion? A plus b to the power 15. How to write the expansion? A plus b to the power 15. A to the power 15 plus 15 a to the power 14b. What will be the next term? You multiply these two, 14 and 15, and divide by 2. So then 7 into 15. 7 into 15 means 105. A to the power 13 b square. What will be the next one? You multiply 115 into 13 and divide by 3. So you 105 into 13. So 105 must be divided by 3. So what is, if you divide 105 by 3 is, it's going to be maybe 35. So 35 into 13, right? So you have to write like, so this is the easiest way to write the expansion. Got it? Okay, I'll tell you another way. Again, I'll tell you. A plus b to the power 10. We go for that one. So first one is we know a to the power 10. Second one also we know a to the power 9b. Third one only we don't know. How to find that? You multiply this and divide by 2. Why divide by 2? Because this is second term. This is the first term, second term. So if you divide by 2, you will get that the third term coefficient. So 90 divided by 2, 45. Then a8 b square. Then next one, this is third one. So you multiply these two and divide by 3. So if you divide by 3, 15 into 18. 15 into 18, 120. No? 15 into 18, 120. A7b cube. Likewise, you can easily write the expansion. Yes or no, guys? Type. Do you understand? Okay. So you have to write the expansion of this. So what was the question? Question says you have to write the first 10 terms or what term? First 3 terms. No, you have to write first 3 terms. So easy. 2 plus 3x to the power 5. First 3 terms. First 3 terms. No? 2 to the power 5 plus 5 into 2 to the power 4 into 3x plus, I go for that. Plus, I write here. So 5, then 20, 10. 10 into 2 to the power 3, 3x squared. First 3 terms. Only you have to write plus dot dot dot. Then you can say this is 32. So 16, 80. 80 into 3, 240x. Then here 60. No. 80. Again 240x squared. Is it? Guys, you got 240 2 times. 720. How? 9 into 3. Into 3. Into 3. Into 3 means 12. 2, 6, 7, 20. Okay. 720, no? It's clear? So then what they say in expression? What they say in expression? Expression, what is that? Did I give? Did I give that? Okay. Here. There. In this expansion, there is no terms of x squared. So you have to find the a value of a. So we come back. So we consider 1 plus ax into 2 plus 3x to the power 5. So we can write this 1 plus ax into, instead of this, we can write 32, 240x, 720x squared plus dot dot dot. It goes like. So guys, if you want to find the coefficient of x squared, then you have to find the coefficient of x squared and say that is 0. So what they say, there is no term x squared in this expansion. So you have to find the coefficient of x squared and you have to put it 0. So how to find the x squared? Coefficient of x squared. What did they? But a equals -3. So I don't know what. Right. So first we will find terms, x squared terms. How many x squared terms, right? So you can write terms of x squared equal. How many? 1 into this 720. Right? 720. Okay. Then this into this. Then this into this will come. Plus 240a. Any other way to get the x squared term from this? 1 into this into this? No. This into this, only that. So that is equal to 0. Right? Right? So a will be -3. Is it -3? Yes. Yes, correct. If anyone got -3 as an answer, that's correct. It's clear? Anyone got -3 as an answer? That is correct. Okay.